My name's Kevin Klein. I'm an Alpha Warrior Pro. We've been traveling for the last 2 years with the Air Force to all the different bases across the world, installing our obstacle courses and hanging out with airmen and teaching them how to use the rig and train in a fun way. We've been from Germany, Italy, to Korea, to Japan. We've had a really incredible time all over the continental United States, getting to rub shoulders with some of the coolest airmen on the planet, and bringing them into our world, obstacle fitness. It's really great.